morning everyone. I am Glynis Lara Alido. When I was in college, I took up Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education at Holy Trinity College. During my college days, lisod jud siya kay especially layo ka sa imong pamilya. Nag-eskwela po dito sa Jinsan. I am a scholar and I am lucky also nga naa ako ang magulang nga nag-provide sa ako ang monthly, weekly nga allowance. As a student, need you nato nga kanang maningkamot dili alang para sa ato ang sarili kundi alang pud sa ato ang pamilya nga makahuman ka. At the same time, makatabang ka in the future. I graduated last 2002 and luckily I passed the board exam on the same year. Recently, I am a grade 3 teacher at Domingo Arcaña Memorial Elementary School, Tapon, Sarangani Province. To all the future educators, sa karon pa lang tarong na og eskwela nga makahuman, mag-take o board, human, kung naay extra kwarta, mag-earn o unit sa masteral, kay mas lamang ang naay unit sa masteral or og experience sa pagtuturo. As a teacher, be a good model to your pupils and at the same time be a good subordinate to your school head.
Diverse personalities. We as the students, having one course, one goal is to finish the studies and may those people proud who supported us behind our backs. The road may not be easy as that, sometimes crooked, but still keep going and enjoying this desire and passion we want to be. To teach, to educate, and being steadfast whenever the time is to